Come down the private drive, cross the private pond, and say hello to 3320 Star Route Road in Oakley, Illinois. This property offers 3.87 acres of land and plenty of spots to enjoy nature and privacy on the outside of the home. Whether it's on the pond or around to the side patio or to the back with the enclosed patio. Come inside this custom-built home that offers 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and over 4,500 square feet of living space. Beauty can be found in every room, from the 9-foot ceilings, stone fireplace, to the open kitchen with upgraded appliances, granite tops, and screened dining and patio access. The master suite boasts a tray ceiling, ensuite bath, and spacious walk-in closet. The lower level has a guest room, theater room, family room, and a bonus kitchen. This home has so much to offer that we can't list it all here. You must see this one in person. For your private tour, contact Abby Galladay with Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate today.